Normally, building a scene like this would take hours, modeling assets, searching libraries, adjusting meshes, exporting models, and preparing everything for the VFX pipeline. But in this project, every single 3D asset you see was generated in just a few seconds using AI. If you've ever worked with VFX or motion design, you know the most time-consuming part isn't always the effects themselves. It's finding or creating the 3D assets. You either spend hours modeling them in Blender, or you search asset libraries hoping to find something close to what you need. That whole process slows down creativity and production. So for this project, I tried something different. Instead of building the assets manually, I generated them using Tripo, an AI tool that can create detailed 3D models directly from text prompts or images. The goal isn't to replace the VFX workflow, it's to speed up the asset creation stage so we can focus more on creativity. Inside Tripo, you can generate a 3D model simply by describing it with text. For example, futuristic sci-fi energy device with glowing elements and metallic panels. After generating it, the AI creates a full 3D model you can inspect immediately. Instead of spending hours modeling, you now have a usable asset within seconds. On top of that, you also get control over how your model is handled and shared. You can choose whether to keep your generation private or make it available in the public library, depending on your workflow. Tripo also gives you access to high-quality texture outputs, including support for detailed maps that hold up even in close-up shots. If needed, you can go into texture settings and refine how materials look, adjust resolution, and improve surface details for better realism. There are also topology settings available, which help optimize the mesh structure, especially useful if you plan to animate or bring the model into other software like After Effects or Blender. And all of this is powered by their AI model, which focuses on generating clean, usable assets quickly without breaking your workflow. And now you can see the final result. Just look at the level of detail here. The lighting, the reflections, the overall structure. Everything feels way more polished than you'd expect. What's crazy is that something like this would normally take hours to model, refine, and set up properly. But here, most of the heavy work was handled in just a few seconds. It honestly doesn't even feel like this was generated. It looks like a fully built asset straight out of a professional 3D workflow. You can also generate models from images. Just upload a reference image, and Tripo analyzes the structure and reconstructs it as a 3D object. This is very useful if you already have a concept or reference image and want a quick 3D version for your scene. On top of that, it doesn't just create a basic 3D shape. It actually tries to preserve the overall structure and visual feel of the original reference, which makes it much more usable right away. And this is powered by Tripo H3.1, which focuses on generating high-quality models while closely recreating the original image. So instead of starting from scratch, you already have a solid base that you can directly bring into your workflow and build on top of. And this is the final result. Just look at how everything comes together. The lighting, the details, the overall structure. It feels way more polished than you'd expect. What's interesting is that instead of spending hours building every single asset from scratch, most of the base work was already handled, which makes the whole process a lot faster and more efficient. And once everything is placed, lit, and animated properly, you still get that cinematic look, but with way less time spent on the setup. Another really cool feature inside Tripo is Smart Mesh. It's an even faster generation mode that produces models almost instantly. If you need quick assets for a scene, Smart Mesh can generate them in just a few seconds. And because of that, it's really useful when you're just testing ideas or quickly building out a scene without spending too much time on asset creation. You can generate something, check how it fits into your composition, and if needed, just regenerate or adjust it until it matches your vision. It didn't even let me finish the sentence, and the model was already generated. And once everything is put together, it starts to feel much more complete, like a proper cinematic setup rather than just individual elements. It's a simple shift in workflow, but it really speeds things up without compromising the overall look of the scene. Once the model is ready, you can export it in formats like OBJ or FBX. From there, it can be imported directly into your normal VFX workflow, whether you're using After Effects, Blender, or other tools. For this scene, I brought the generated assets into my VFX project and built the environment much faster than usual. I exported it as a GLB file and brought it straight into After Effects. And from here, you can start creating some really clean, cinematic 3D visuals directly inside your scene without going through a heavy 3D workflow. So instead of spending hours building assets from scratch, AI handled that stage, and I could focus on lighting, animation, and the final cinematic composition. If you want to try this yourself, you can use my link in the description to sign up on Tripo. You'll get 500 extra credits on top of the standard 300 free credits, so you can start generating models right away. Also, you can use code TRIPO to get 60% off the first month of the Pro plan. In the next video, we'll go deeper into refining and adjusting the generated models directly inside Tripo so you can push them further for professional VFX projects.